In this video, I'll show you how to create a template in PandaDoc step by step so you can save time and keep your documents consistent. Start by opening PandaDoc and clicking on Templates from the left panel, then go to My Templates where your reusable files are stored. In the top right, click the plus icon to create a new template and choose whether to start from a blank file, use an existing template, or upload your own document. Once inside the editor, customize your layout, add branding, and structure the content in a way that's easy to reuse. Focus on areas that change like client details, pricing, or dates, and keep standard sections consistent. This helps reduce errors and speeds up your workflow. Always review your template before saving to ensure everything looks clean and professional. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.